Hello, and welcome to an Eduonics tutorial. My name is Matthew Brown, and I will be your instructor for this course. Adobe Photoshop. What is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Systems Incorporated is an American multinational computer software company that is focused upon the creation of multimedia and creativity software products. It is best known for the Adobe Creative Suite, the Adobe Creative Cloud, the portable document format, widely known as PDF, and finally, you guessed it, Adobe Photoshop. So what can Adobe Photoshop do? Photoshop is the industry standard in raster graphics editing. That means photos, text, effects, and other graphics. It uses a system of layers, compositing, and color models to edit or create images on the computer. This leads the program to be the go-to tool for graphic designers, photographers, illustrators, and people who just want to mess with their friends' photos on Facebook. So how do you use Adobe Photoshop? Well, that's exactly what we're going to go over in this course. I will be guiding you through everything you'll need to know as a beginner in Adobe Photoshop. If you've never opened Photoshop before, this tutorial is for you. If you have opened Photoshop but were overwhelmed by all of its buttons and features, this tutorial is for you. If you're somewhat familiar with Photoshop, but you want to bring your knowledge and abilities to a more practical level, this tutorial is for you. If you do not have a copy of Adobe Photoshop already, I would strongly suggest downloading a trial version of the program so you can follow along with this course and learn hands-on. I'll be using Adobe Photoshop CC for this course. You can download a trial copy of Adobe Photoshop CC by using this link on the screen. That's www.adobe.com/go/try Photoshop. So please, play these videos while you work with your own copy of the program, and we will cover everything you need to know to be able to effectively use Adobe Photoshop as a beginner.